I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Clap your hands. Let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the light with the sky, with the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go. So it's my 9th birthday, and this time I will be opening some presents. It's 2. Wow! So let's open up my favorite color first. Let's see. Oh my god! It's drawing book! It's Princess, Disney Princess. Another one, which is Frozen. Let's see. A map! Since I'm Moana for my birthday, I need this to go on my shirt. And an alcansha, so I can save my money. And mini eraser. Yes, I really need this for school. And let's go to my next favorite color, purple.
No.
Actually made it in China. But I thought Philippines and China are fighting.
Oh shit!
Yippee! Yeah, this is also from China.
Go na.
It's cinnamon, but still from China. Another one, which is a blindfold. Yes, blindfold.
Sleeping and nice.
A cinnamon pen made in China. Okay, our very last one. A Rubik's Cube. Wow! It's magic. You have to be smart, guys. So if you're not smart, then this isn't for you. Just kidding, if you're smart, yes. So I have counted it, and it's equal to 9 because I'm 9 years old. So bye, guys.